The 2014 Harley Davidson V-Rod Night Rod Special. Promising to reward its rider with a commanding riding position and a huge amount of raw power, the 2014 Harley Davidson V-Rod Night Rod Special is a real masterpiece of design and technology. Its unique style represents a tasty merge between Harley's classic lines and modern trends, and you'll certainly like the chopped-down fender, the futuristic headlight assembly and the streamlined profile. You also get a fat 240mm rear tire, low-rise handlebars, double-barrel exhaust and cast aluminum performance wheels. At the core of the 2014 Harley-Davidson V-Rod Night Rod Special sits the company's legendary liquid-cooled, Revolution, 60 degrees V-twin engine, which puts out a peak torque of 83.4 ft-lb at 6,750 revolutions per minute and offers an average fuel economy of 37 mpg. The motorcycle is offered with a starting price of $16,249. Hit the jump for more information on the 2014 Harley-Davidson V-Rod Night Rod Special. Style. Fastback tail section. The Night Rod Special model's tail delivers even more drag strip performance and attitude. The chopped-down and aggressively tapered fender shows off that fat rear tire, while the slimmed-down center plate mount and flush-mounted the low-maintenance LED tail lamp creates a streamlined impression that lasts. Fat rear tire. Behold an ultra-fat 240mm rear tire for a powerful, no-nonsense look and added grip. Harnessing explosive, off-the-line power, the rear tire on the Night Rod Special motorcycle enhances the pure dragster look with the sticky, high-performance tread you need for staying glued to the pavement. Low-rise handlebar. Grab the slammed blacked-out drag-style handlebar for an aggressive riding position, slightly forward and reminiscent of tearing up the racetrack, but easily within reach for plenty of riding comfort along with that attitude. Cast aluminum performance wheel. When the rubber meets the road, it's your wheels that make the difference. Inspired by performance sports car design, these split 5-spoke wheels flash heavy-weight attitude, but do it at a full 3 pounds lighter than earlier generation V-Rod motorcycle wheels, which means you roll with tighter handling and smoother suspension response. Radiator design. Every inch of a Harley-Davidson motorcycle is created to sync up with the bike's overall look and performance. The Night Rod Special model is no exception. As our very first liquid-cooled rides, we turned to styling to make sure the radiator on the V-Rod models became part of the design instead of an interruption to the flow of the eye. Streamlined front end. With its color-matched speedscreen pared down to bare performance minimum, its sleek headlamp and slotted bracket sport fender, the Night Rod Special comes on strong with an aggressive race-inspired, power-first front profile. Blacked-out look. Pitch black and sinister as hell, the Night Rod Special model is aggressively styled from the front end to the back. Engine, wheels, forks, triple clamps, swing arm, they're all blacked out and thick with uncompromising, drag strip attitude. Double barrel exhaust. The Night Rod Special motorcycle proves that a performance exhaust can still be a beautiful set of pipes. The double barrel exhaust features brushed finish dual mufflers, black end caps and exhaust shields. Performance and bold style erupt with every crack of the throttle. Engine. High marks for durability. The Harley-Davidson Revolution engine is an extremely durable motorcycle engine. It survived the most brutal and aggressive durability test in the industry, the Dusseldorf test. Simulating a grueling trip along Germany's notorious Autobahn, the engine endured a wide range of performance tests. From idle states to city speeds, to wide-open throttle and mountain climbing torque, the Revolution engine surpassed the goal of 500 hours of non-stop punishing performance. Pure Harley-Davidson styling. Feast your eyes on the Revolution engine and there's no mistaking its roots. This is authentic Harley-Davidson style through and through, with an attention to detail you won't find from any other motorcycle company. Deep black cylinders and rocker covers complete the dark look, while the machined cooling fin tips on the cylinder heads give it a stripped-down, raw metal finish. It's a jewel machined out of metal. Pure. Dripping with power. From the classic edge of the cooling fins to the clean lines of cases and covers, the Revolution engine makes an ironclad statement to holding on to what's right and staying true to what satisfies the rider. Revolution engine heritage. From the strip to the street. Harley Davidson has a passion for performance that is rooted in decades of racing and winning championships. So when the motor company set out to produce a high-powered, liquid-cooled engine, it began with the VR1000 Superbike engine. Its performance is inspired by American style, big powerful torque coupled with high-end horsepower. The Revolution engine is the heart of a machine that attracts a breed of riders who are fascinated by the heritage and mystique of Harley Davidson and the power of a high-end street performance motorcycle. Revolution engine innovation. Through a partnership with legendary automaker, Porsche, and their world-renowned team of engineers, Harley Davidson created a revolutionary engine. The final result was something uniquely Harley Davidson, the industry's most perfect blend of torque and horsepower in the high-revving V-twin Revolution engine. Fuel injection. Dual overhead cams. Liquid-cooled. 125 horses. Massive, brute power behind pure Harley Davidson innovation and style. Custom power and performance. Tuned to produce 125 horsepower, the 1250cc Revolution engine is Harley Davidson's highest horsepower engine to this day. With dual overhead cams and 4 valves per cylinder, it provides 84 feet (lbs) of torque at 7,000 revolutions per minute, while feeling refined and velvety smooth all the way up to the redline. Technology. HD Smart Security System optional. The factory-installed next-generation security system features a hands-free fob that automatically arms and disarms the vehicle electronic security functions as you approach and walk away from the bike. Stick the fob on your ignition key ring and let it do all the work. It's this attention to details and security that make Harley Davidson motorcycles unique. Handling. Inverted forks. Grab on and feel the total command delivered by this precision-engineered front-end assembly. The performance-tuned front-end assembly features inverted forks and a low-angle rake that keep the Night Rod Special's unsprung mass low and its turning tight for a nimble and responsive ride at every speed. Michelin Scorcher tires. The Michelin Scorcher tires provide the superior performance, sensational grip, impressive durability and excellent handling expected on a race-bred bike. The exclusive deep-cut tread design improves grip and water evacuation capability. Grip performance and durability is also enhanced by the tire's rubber compounds, which use the latest generation of Michelin synthetic polymers. Under the rear rubber, aramid belts are used to stabilize your ride, which helps inspire confidence in handling. Slipper clutch. Taken from the racetrack to the world of custom. The Night Rod Special motorcycle features a slipper, or slip and assist clutch that provides smoother, high-power handling in turns or whenever you downshift. By reducing clutch friction, the slipper clutch helps keep your rear wheel at a controlled clip. Brembo brakes with ABS. Increased confidence and control. High-performance Brembo dual-disc brakes offer consistent stopping power on every leg of your journey. Plus, the anti-lock braking system ABS helps reduce the chance of wheel lock-up if you need to brake suddenly. And since we hid the speed sensor, the bike maintains its clean, slick look. Performance without sacrificing style. That's what the motor company is all about. Comfort. Enhanced ergonomic controls. Confidence is critical when you're performance riding. That's why we designed the Night Rod Special model's control placement for comfortable access that doesn't compromise its aggressive stance. The handlebars and rider foot pegs are placed so you ride low and mean, but with the controls close and comfortably in reach. 2-up bucket saddle. Settle in and experience the confident connection you get from the deep rider bucket. We designed it to hold you close, low 25.6 inches, and in control, even when you throttle up fast. Just like all Harley-Davidson seats, it's built with the premium material, custom stitching and the attention to detail that mark the work of motorcycle makers who've been putting their own seats in the saddle for over 100 years. Specifications.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.